The Affiliate Automation Academy was designed with busy people in mind. You don't need hours of free time every day. In fact, the whole system runs on a simple 20-minute routine. Here's how it works. Once your account is set up using the templates inside the Academy, you'll post short viral style videos that are already tested and proven. This content strategy saves you from brainstorming, recording, or editing videos yourself. After you post, the real magic happens through automation. Affiliate Automation Academy includes a DM automation feature that engages with leads for you, send out follow-ups, and even delivers your affiliate links automatically. That means while you're at work, spending time with family, or even sleeping, your business is still running in the background. And because the program teaches you how to promote high-ticket affiliate offers, just a few sales can equal thousands of dollars. That's why only 20 minutes a day is enough. You're not grinding all day for small commissions. So if you only have a little free time but want to build a real online business, check out the Affiliate Automation Academy through the link in my description.